Well, hello everybody. How we doing? You guys were on number 8. And we're using a set I've hoarded for a while. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful it is. This is Material Ghoul. And it's from, I feel like 2019, but let me look. Yeah.
Oh my god, beef. Hi, beef.
2019. And this is Pink Power. So, tonight's set is called What the Future Holds. Because without accessible abortions, I mean, and you guys, am I telling anything new? I mean, I don't feel like I am. We know exactly what things looked like before because we've lived it before. We know about, you know, back alley abortions and wire hanger abortions and all this kind of stuff. I mean, this is not new. This is not new, which is what makes it so horrendous. It's, you know, it's old news. It's
not yet
proven a million times over. I mean, it's like with anything, be it, you know, prohibition or what.
That's gonna be a
lay down the laws you want. It's still gonna happen when it comes to people's lives, the moms' lives, and you know how they ended up that way and what have you. So when I do Halloween sets, you guys, I tend to go more towards like creepy cute versus like Material Ghoul. But I love this set, and the red's so pretty in it, and I knew eventually I'd find a use for it, and here it was. Perfect use for it. Teeny bit more edge clean up there. I was watching, you guys.
I literally just said that.
Oh my god, those are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Somebody put in the nail feet group, and let me show you here, because when I get to my thumbs I can show you what they claim to be a hot tip / trick. Oh, these are beautiful, and they're going on beautifully. You know what I would love to see, like just for Halloween and Christmas and New Year's, is just a 100% redo. Rock it right back to 2017, 18, 19, re-release those sets, and don't even bother trying to rehash what you've rehashed for the last, you know, 2 years. Go back and do those ones because they're hard to find. There was some really fantastic sets. Oh my gosh, I would love to get a hold of about 10 sets of Trick or Treat Yourself.
Seriously?
Which was a stunner. I would love the whole
Not surprised.
the whole 2017 situation when it comes to Halloween sets. It just, that would be so good. Man, these are going on nice. So nice, and they look so nice. I love this older style of make. Like, it's not you know, kind of the thin with that white background situation. It's just the glitters. Oh, Lordy. Beautiful. That was beef, if you heard that. He's playing in one of the cardboard cat castles. He's actually playing in the Halloween Tower one. Oh my goodness. This red is stunning. I don't know if it's a comparable red to anything we have, but it's beautiful. So pretty. I don't know. I don't know what it compares to, but it's good. Okay. Almost to the thumbs. Bless you, bub. Bless you again. Wow, those are beautiful. Okay, hang on. Let's do a little... Let's get after it with the smusher. Wow.
Bye.
So pretty. Man, this is gonna rank right up there in my top faves. Now, I thought that the Better Late Than Feather was going to, but the feathers didn't show like I wanted them to. So it's probably gonna be this one and the next one that are my two highest rankings. Okay. Now, on this, I don't think I'm gonna do it this way. I think I'm gonna do it this way and get the full red, you guys. So there was this chicken, this gal in the nail feed group was like, I saw this on YouTube and it wasn't from me, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's lovely. Okay, so to do your edge cleanup, you're supposed to use this, like this, and it's supposed to perforate it. What? It really did. Oh my god. Okay, hang on, now I'm busy being my mind blown.
Oh my god, you had lovely Lisa too.
Let me do this first so I make sure I get it in the side where I want it. You guys. Oh my gosh. Why am I just knowing this now? And it's seriously the cleanest cut. What in the what, you guys? Oh my god, that red is stunning. Okay, well, look it. Shout out to you, girl in the nail feed group. Oh my god. Oh, that's beautiful. This is a little ridgy. You guys, I was trying on strips in the Sassy group live to compare sets and see what matched what for people. And I did a crappy job removing. Okay, let's do it again.
Really?
Let's do it again so my mind can be doubly blown. And feel for my edge. A couple times back and forth. You guys, I cannot believe it. Right now.
Yeah.
What? Why is that not talked about? Who discovered that? And why didn't you tell people? Shush. And like, why don't stylists know it? Oh my god. It gives the cleanest cut. I am so wowed right now, you guys.
Honestly. Bye. Bye.
Willow's in a chat with her friends, by the way, if you hear her. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. I'm all like, shocked and flabbergasted and floored. What in the hell? I don't even know what's going on right now. That red, oh my goodness. That is something. Oh. All right, now, like, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I hope your guys' mind is appropriately blown as mine was. Like, when I saw her do it, she didn't have much on her edges, so I was like, okay, whatever. But I knew I was going to lay those sideways tonight or today, so I could give it a try also. And now my mind is officially blown. Okay, so this is the little, what would you call that? A bird. It's a dove, I think. Maybe. I don't know what it is. Doesn't matter. It's a bird. Okay. And I'm using Pink Power is what I'm cutting out. And now, so I was talking to Mercy. And I was like, I just gotta find a uterus punch. She was cracking up. And then, about 20 minutes later,
Stone is touching himself.
I sent a video and showed her. It's a dove. Psych.
He like stopped
It's a
mid-jerk off and is now, like, walking
uterus,
around the
uterus,
house
uterus.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. Okay, hang on. Oh, it's perfect. Seriously. Thank you, little bird, for your service. Okay, now let's do... I want to make these super shiny, you guys, because they're so pretty. So let's use patent leather, and this is China glaze. And so this does not shrink your stuff at all, you guys, and it's super shiny, but there's always a but, right? It's a very slow dry, so you gotta be patient with it. And again, I had my little warmer on, so I'm just setting my polished bottle on a little thing of Post-it notes so it doesn't get cooked. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, that uterus, seriously. Yeah, it's good. It's a real good uterus. Of all the things I've got to punch out and hodgepodge together, the uterus is now my favorite. Just know that. This set's amazing. Like, you know what? I'm glad I'm using it now, because a lot of this stuff I kind of already do for Halloween, just using different punches and stuff. So I'm, you know, like the blood drip, and I think this would be pretty easy to recreate, the splattery stuff. And these colors, well, I mean the black is black, but the red, oh, is a whole lot stunning. A whole lot stunning. Yeah, just rerun all the old holiday sets, please, Fa.
Booty ass naked, just walking around the house.
I need to do some feedbacks of that before they start making a bunch of like rehashed Halloween and Christmas type stuff. Wow, that's beautiful. All right. Okay, you guys, here we are. It's why we're standing up. We don't want our future to look like this for anybody. Oh, God. Oh, my God, this is so good. It's so good. Have a good one, you guys. I'll see you in the last one. Beef thinks he's being tricky. Oh my God, they're such siblings, aren't they? You better watch out, Beef. He's getting ready.